Hey guys, good morning. Today is Tuesday, and today I'm thinking I will do my own challenge. It's my English Day challenge. Yes, right. Today I will speak only English, no Hindi. What, Pupu? Only English. Understood, no? No Hindi. Okay? I just woke up. Now I will go bathroom and just fresh up. Then I will start my own English. Toilet. Huh? Toilet, yes. Okay, guys, stay tuned. I will just come back after some time and I will start my own English day challenge. My English is so bad. I'm just trying to speak English. Understood? Okay, man. See ya. Guys, I'm fresh now. Take a bath, took a bath. Sorry. Today is my challenge, whole day English speaking challenge. So now I'm fully fresh now. Whatever I will speak now today, I will speak in English only. From home or not, I didn't matter. My English is not good, not as other as, but I will speak. Today I will speak full English, full day, whole day, even to my pupu and chuku also. Guys, I really don't know why English so important for us. Literally, especially in India, if you don't know English now, no one will handle you. It means what kind of handle? As you know, understand this. It's my English. So I'm just came outside to sit in that type of bench because I just took a bath, so that's why I come outside for taking sunlight. I feel good here. My family knows now I don't know English. How will I explain? My English is so good. Literally, I will manage. I don't say every time I know English. I know English. This time, they saw my video, and they will what I say. They will what I say, bro. They will proud myself. Yes, good English. That type of English I want. Grammatically, my English is so bad. Okay, guys, I already take too much sunlight, so I'm going upstairs on my room, in my room, in my room. I don't know, and I will talk to my nephews, and we'll see what happened. Okay, I'm on the way, bro. I'm going on in my room. This is my lift. He's playing some song, 90s or 80s song. It's good song. It's very good in my lift. Okay, man. Pupu, what are you eating? What are you eating, Pupu? Hmm? Rice. And Chuku, what are you eating? Rice and sabji and pulse. Okay. Okay. I'm going inside in my room. Okay? Just finish it and go and sleep. Guys, my English, full English, no Hindi. Today's challenge, I will complete. I will complete it in the last of evening or in night. Then I will upload. Just rate my English and like and subscribe also. Just not view. Like and subscribe also, bro. Every time you watch and not like and not subscribe. Okay? See ya after some time again. No Hindi, only English. No parcel. No toys. In the evening, your toys will come. Who? There is no toy. Go and sleep. Go and sleep, Chuku. No toy. In evening, your mom will come. Then he will take one toy for you. One toy for you also. Both for you. Okay? No Hindi, only English today. Today English challenge day, na? We will speak only English. Guys, we will speak English today. No Hindi. No Hindi today, only English. No English. See, he also speak English. They. You also speak English. No, speak firstly try English. Guys, no Hindi, only English. We speak only English today. No Hindi. Put your gun down. Put your guns down.
No.
Put your gun down and go and sleep.
No.
Go and sleep. No fighting. No fighting. English is speaking so hard, but I will try. I will try my best. Today I will speak English whole day. Even not single word I will use in Hindi. Let's see what will happen. If everything will going good, then I want at least minimum likes or minimum subscribers. Not minimum means average minimum. Understood? Okay. You know, guys, why English is so important for us. I really don't know. English, I know, at least you know, understood English, understand English is very good. What happened, Pupu? What happened? Not in Hindi, only in English. What are you? Come here. Come this side. Come this side. Come first. Come here. Sit. Tell. What happened?
What I doing?
I'm doing nothing. I'm just recording my video. I'm just recording a video. Why? Oh. You know, he's suffering from cough and cold, so that's why his mom told he didn't go. They will not go to school. They won't go to school. That means you understand this. They was, I don't know, but they don't go to school. Yes, today. They will go tomorrow. No, Pupu? You will go tomorrow, no? You know, my English grammatically is so wrong. Right now, I'm waiting for my parcel. One parcel is coming from Flipkart. That's why I'm waiting. Look, what is coming in Flipkart. Finally, here is the parcel. I don't know what is this. I think this is from Mantra. I think my sister ordered this. I really don't know. 2 parcels is also there. It's too much difficult for me for speaking English a whole day. But I will do it. I will do it till 6 or 7 o'clock. Then after I will decide what will I do. Let's see what will happen. Finally, all parcels are there.
क्लिप तोड़ दिया.
No Hindi, only English. Tell me what happened.
Dada Mama, who is broken Russian
Clutcher. Rasi auntie clutcher.
Yes, glitter.
Why? Why you broke?
It's no me.
To who? Who broke the clutcher of Rashri?
See, I'm not like I will.
Guys, Shuku broke clutcher of Rashri. He's so bad. So bad. Pupu is good. Pupu is very good. Pupu, you are bad. Why you broke the clutcher of Rashri auntie? Say sorry to her. Go. Say sorry. Go and say sorry.
Sorry.
Not to me. Rashri auntie. Go. Rashri. Go to Rashri and say sorry. Shuku, go and tell Rashri auntie sorry. What are you doing, Shuku? Pupu, what are you doing?
Why is water this?
This is your water. This is your glass.
Yes.
This is yours. Okay, take it. Choco, don't take Pupu's glass. Okay. Hey guys, finally I'm finishing my challenge. It's already 6 o'clock, so it's time to finish the challenge. And now I will upload this challenge on my channel. And you don't know what you want, what you to do. Just like, share, comment, subscribe. That's it, and nothing else, bro. This is my last English word. Okay, Tata, see ya, bye bye.